This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. Best Buy is undoubtedly one of the leading retailers in consumer electronics and entertainment products. Example, VCRs, TVs, music CDs, washing machines, mobile phones, PCs, and digital cameras, not only in the United States, but also in other countries globally. This paper identifies and explains Best Buy's business-level strategy, strategic issues facing the company, its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, as well as several recommendations aimed at dealing with the strategic issues raised. Best Buy's business-level strategy. Available literature demonstrates that business-level strategy is an integrated and coordinated set of commitments and actions the firm uses to gain a competitive advantage by exploiting core competencies in specific product markets. With its light and cheerful vision statement, making life fun and easy, Best Buy has chosen customer centricity, putting customers in charge, as its business-level strategy aimed at sustaining and increasing its position in the marketplace, achieving customer satisfaction, and increasing financial returns. The citizen-centered business-level strategy provides customers with impartial and knowledgeable advice on the products they wish to buy, competitive prices, the ability to shop when and where they want, and technical support for the life of their products. Strategic issues facing Best Buy. First, being in the consumer electronics sector, Best Buy often finds itself struggling to keep up with the rapid technological innovations in the consumer electronics and computer industries. It shouldn't be mentioned that the market growth for the consumer electronics sector is increasingly being driven by innovation in products such as smartphones, tablets, digital TVs, and notebooks, and Best Buy must come up with comprehensive strategies to keep abreast of the rapid technological innovations being experienced within the sector. Second, although Best Buy is the overall category leader in a highly fragmented market when compared to other companies in the consumer electronics and appliances market, example, Circuit City, Walmart, Amazon, Target, Sears, and Apple stores, the company still needs to raise the bar in its relationship with customers if it expects to retain its competitiveness in years to come. One particular study shows that some of its competitors perform better in certain customer experience indicators such as delivery on promise, knowledge of what the company stands for and what makes it different, and setting the standards for others to follow. Another strategic issue concerns the fact that although Best Buy has a promising multi-channel platform, digital and physical, which ensures that over 70% of its customers are able to do research on bestbuy.com before buying in the company's stores, it has been slower than some of its competitors to respond to channel and category shifts as demonstrated by its slow trend in capturing the online opportunity. Specifically, with a market share of 7% of the online channel, it has been unable to overtake Amazon's share of 21% in the same category as per the fiscal year 2012 results. Lastly, it is evident that Best Buy has a price perception issue in that competitors such as Walmart, Amazon, and Target are able to provide competitive prices for similar products than the company is able to offer customers. Recommendation Plan. Best Buy's management has to act on the strategic issues facing the company, as well as its threats and weaknesses, so as to sustain competitiveness and profitability into the future. First, the company should continue making huge investments in newer technologies to keep abreast of the shifting technological innovations in the market. Second, to enhance customer satisfaction and experiences, it is recommended that the company should improve consumer electronics shopping tools and recommendations, expand assortment, be competitive, enhance diversity fulfillment, and improve checkout flow. Third, to develop a winning online presence strategy, Best Buy should optimize shopping and commerce flows with a view to simplifying, streamlining, and minimizing abandonment, develop a world-class e-commerce platform, enhance Web 3.0 personalization, improve the experience with ubiquitous availability on any device at any time, incent and reinforce desired behaviors using the currency of available reward systems. Lastly, the company has to develop new approaches to transform its supply chain and other operational activities with the view to achieving operational excellence and logistical efficiency, hence reducing prices. If you want to find more works like this case study on Best Buy Company analysis, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.